you got to make a fool of somebody, if you got to make a fool of someone.
Well, I got even more requests, so here it is. Believe it or not, Tricky Quiz number 10. This one's not too hard. True or false, when passing through the Panama Canal, you're going the wrong direction? Well, the answer is it's substantially true. When going from the Atlantic to the Pacific, you substantially sail eastbound, and from the Pacific to the Atlantic, you sail substantially westbound. Well, question number 2, how many years was the Edsel produced? It was a car made by Ford, and they wanted to fill in their product line. Did a lot of research, a lot of marketing failures, like New Coke and Betamax, but I digress. And by the time it came out, the market had changed, the economy went down, the Rambler became popular, and so the number of years, turns out it was 3, the rarest being the 3rd year. Well, question number 3 is for you Francophiles. You speak French. And what gender-specific words uniquely exist in English that don't uniquely exist in French? In French, there's boy words and girl words for everything. They even make them up just to be politically correct. And ironically, the ones we have, uniquely they don't. And it turns out, in English, it's the word his and her. It has to match the subject if you know the gender of the subject. And it's about the only thing that occurs in English like that. But on the other hand, in French, you have ça and son, both of which can mean her, his, or its, and agree with the object, masculine or feminine. So in the following example, sa voiture or son véhicule could be its, her, or his car. Boy, question number 4 sure is timely. How many times has the Electoral College gone against the popular vote? Well, it has been, believe it or not, 5 times. And, well, let's see, Adams, Jackson, Tilden Hayes, Harrison Cleveland, Bush II and Al Gore, Trump and Hillary Clinton. Not quite an editorial, but I have to say it. Each time the Democrat being on the wrong side of the results. And by the way, the Nixon-Kennedy one kind of goes the other way, but that depends on the Alabama peculiarities that you actually elected each one of the electors separately, and it was compounded by a third-party candidate. Oh, just makes my head hurt. And of course, the final question's a flag question. The French tricolor, le drapeau tricolore, is always invariant. Has it always been the same? And I was a little bit surprised when I found this out. The French flag originally, I don't mean the ones with all the fleur-de-lis for the royal family, but the tricolor originally was a little bit longer on the red side, so it looked more normal flapping in the wind, and the Navy still uses it. And to compound things, Valéry Giscard d'Estaing got the bright and I think correct idea to make it a little bit more colorful, maybe for TV, making the blue a little bit brighter, the red a little bit redder, and there you go.